Hello everyone, I am Brian Robin Santiago, and we are the Four Musketeers, and welcome to part 3 of our Ennis Runner game tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to help you create the random level generator. So let's jump straight into Unity, and let's get started. Firstly, before we make the random level generator, we need to first make a structure or a layout for a random level generator. Afterwards, once you finish making your structure, select all of the game objects included for the structure and drag it to your assets. The structure you made will be converted into a prefab, allowing it to be used later on the script that I'll explain later. Here are the variables that will be used in the script. First, an index of game objects will store the prefabs we created, allowing the script to randomly select which prefab to generate. The player will serve as a reference for spawning platforms below them after passing the spawn trigger. Another variable will be used to queue up the next randomly selected platform while also removing the previous ones. The start platform variable determines how many platforms will initially appear, while the platform length variable adjusts the length of the prefab. When the game starts, the start function will immediately generate platforms using the spawn platform function. This function randomly selects a prefab from the index, initiates it at the next spawn position, and queues up the next platform. The script will then find the player's spawn point, which will be used by the spawn trigger. If the spawn trigger detects a collision with the game object tagged as player, it will call the spawn platform function from the level generator script. Additionally, the remove trigger script will be used to remove old platform function from the level generator script to remove previous platforms as new ones are generated. Finally, it will demonstrate how the spawn trigger and remove trigger functions work in action. And that wraps up for our part 3. In the next part, we'll focus on the development of obstacles and collisions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out the next part of the series. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.